Well, of course the up is very easy. Few clips there, here, just remove everything like this, put aside a couple of the bolts. Before you move on, so I'll have to disconnect this one. Just hold this one with one hand, release it, and now remove like that, and then it's free. Let's see, just by turning the wheels. I remove two of these bolts. I'll remove this one. I think it's torx 20 or something like that. With light under there, there's just one or two. And looks like just one bolt for this. So this is 10mm spinner. And sorry for not showing every detail, but more or less you see I just peeled this off. I already removed two, just one left. Just taking this one, put this one like that. It's good if you have like with socket that okay. And just go underneath. So the underneath torx 20 again. Here bolt. There's one more. Other side as well, some bolts. To remove these bolts as well. One there bolt, not the rest of these ones as well. Somewhere I think under there was some bolts, like two there, other side there too. And now I removed like this part and as well other part, and then just lift this up because might be it's feeling like harder to remove, but it's not like that hard. Just put something as well underneath. So I will not be able to show because I don't want to break any of these parts. And then I will just put it down there. You gently remove your bumper. Well, there are a few connectors. Yeah, there's a. You have to remove the connectors. Somewhere here, there are two connectors, and then you can remove the bumper itself if you need it. For my case, I just want to see what's going on with the ventilator, but seems like it's like as well hidden inside everything. Come on. You wonder what is under the bumper front. You can access the water for the windshield, and of course remove the front lamps. One is screw, I think, or there are no under screws, I'm not sure. Definitely a couple up there. Anyway, what else? This mechanism, a lot of plastic, so you remove the front bumper. Well, many bolts to remove, and anyway you have to remove the headlights to access anything else. It's like, at least it looks like so, because there's one bolt on this plastic pieces everywhere. Plus it's above, so yeah, just to remove this one upwards it'll be in the way, so you have to remove the headlights. Come on. Both sides, that's so quite a lot of work there. What else interesting here? Air conditioning system a little bit goes here, true. And of course, yeah, for the wind, it's like crazy just to get there, to remove all these pieces. Just make sure you connect back your connector before you put it on. And as well, here is like this clip. Make sure it's like slides in it, not like bending, so everything will be in its place. Yes, and to put everything together, I suggest you just start with finding these little knobs here and there, hang it over there, and then you can work your way with each side like that, and just press it upwards where it's like goes in, and then bolt everything. But maybe start with this, and then this, because this is how it's removed.